Here's our room for the coming 5 days here in Cos Boracay. King size bed. Yan, meron tayong welcome greeting para sa birthday ni Popsy. And then we arrived doon sa airport to the fort. And then we have cabinets. Yan, may mini bar. Then we have the bathroom. Ganda ng bathroom natin. And a lot of amenities, lotion, soap, hair dryer, towel rack. Ganda. Very elegant. Ayan tayo. Thank you, Daniel and Erica, for this beautiful gift. Yan. King size. Meron din siyang giveaway. Ayan, no? Funds shine on my mind. Nalagyan ng giveaways. With free chocolate pa pala. Yung mga utensils. May free chocolate siya. Yun yung free chocolate. Pati kaya yung lalagyan. Sama. Basta complimentary. Have a chocolate. Thank you, the Cos Boracay. A room for the coming 5 days. Thank you so much, Daniel and Erica, for this gift for Popsy's 60th birthday. God bless you more so you can bless us more. Enjoy tayo for the coming 5 days. Chill lang, sabi nila. Thank you so much. Masayang masaya si Popsy. Thank you so much.